In a clean and colorful Rwandan city called Kigali, there lived a joyful little boy named Ishema. Every morning he woke up early, washed his face, and thanked God for a new day. Even when the city was busy and noisy, Ishema tried to keep a happy heart. One day, as Ishema walked to school, dark clouds covered the sky. Rain started falling and his shoes became muddy. Some children complained and felt angry. Ishema also felt sad at first. But then he remembered what his Sunday school teacher had taught him at church. The teacher had read from the Bible and said, "Rejoice in the Lord always. I will say it again. Rejoice." Philippians 4:4. Ishema smiled. He whispered the verse in his heart and chose to be joyful. He started humming a small worship song as he walked. Soon, other children noticed his smile and felt happier too. At school, Ishema helped a friend who had forgotten lunch. During break time, he shared his food and laughed with his classmates. Even the teacher noticed the joy on his face. After school, Ishema played football near the city playground. When his team lost the game, some children became upset. Ishema encouraged them and reminded them that joy does not come from winning, but from God. That evening, as city lights shone across Kigali, Ishema prayed with his family. He thanked God for teaching him to rejoice in every situation. From that day on, people said that Ishema carried a smiling heart, a heart that rejoiced in the Lord always, just like the Bible teaches.